Hi, I'm David Golding Cars. I've been buying and selling modern and classic cars since 1988. Here we have a 1989 Golf GTi 16 valve. It's the Mark II 1.8, it's 5-speed, only 78,000 miles on it, 4 owners from new, finished in a fabulous colour, Helios Blue. It is in absolutely stunning condition throughout. Come on, I'll show you around. As well as being in top condition, this car is totally original. Very unusual to see a Golf GTi with no modifications. This has all the standard equipment, the original alloy wheels, 4 matching Avon tyres, beautiful paintwork, twin headlamp grille. Inside is also very original and unmolested. Perfect parcel shelf, the boot is spotless, spare wheels here with all the tools, the original spec sticker in the boot. Struts are working, good tailgate, stickers here in the fuel flap as well. This is just so original, this car. Really good back seat, carpets in good condition, headlining's clean. The front also very original. Door card on the passenger side. Seat facing is really good. The dash is uncracked. Original steering wheel. Golf ball gear knob for the 5-speed box, front electric windows, Blaupunkt Stockholm stereo working well, the driver's side door card, the driver's seat face good as well, 78,000 miles showing, onboard computer here with the switch, original sticker here in the door jamb, factory sliding steel sunroof, and the engine bay is excellent as well. Again, no modifications, very clean and original, very tidy. Chassis plate here. Under the bonnet is good as well. Moving underneath, recent rear exhaust box on it. Floors are excellent. Really well preserved, bone dry engine. Comes with its original book pack. This is verifiable by the sticker inside the service book here, matches the one in the boot. Fully stamped up service history. Car was off the road for about 13 years but was recently recommissioned in April last year with a lot of work done. Let's go for a spin. Starts first time. Lovely gearbox. Through all 5 gears. No power steering on this. Very tight on the road. It's got a working Blaupunkt stereo. Really is a fabulous car. Price is €14,950. Includes a new NCT for 2 years. Loads more pictures on my website www.davidgoldingcars.ie. Check out my 5-star rating on Trustpilot. If you wish to purchase this car, please contact me now. Viewings are by appointment only. If you are concerned about travelling to view, we can offer free delivery nationwide to your door.